So for this particular problem, it says solve for the given variable. In this case, the given variable is c. So we have to find out what the value of c is, and we'll end up by showing c equals, and we'll have a number value on this side, on the right hand side of the equation. So what we want to concentrate on when we do these problems is effective working, showing our solution step by step and clearly, so that it's obvious how we arrived at our final answer. So let's go about solving. So on the left hand side we have c plus 51, and on the right hand side we have 61.5, and this equal sign shows that the left hand side is the same value as the right hand side. So both sides are the same, both sides are equal. Okay, so what that means is that whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other side to just make sure that the equation stays balanced, because at the moment it's perfectly balanced. See? The left-hand side equals the right-hand side, and we want to keep it that way all the way through. So we want to isolate the c. The way we do that is we try and get rid of everything that's on the same side as our variable. So in this case, it's positive 51. So how do we get rid of plus 51? Well, we do the opposite. So we want to minus 51. So if we're on 51 and then we minus 51, we end up at 0, right? So effectively, by doing that, we cancel out the plus 51. As I said, whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So we do it on the right-hand side as well. Okay, now we've shown our working, and now we actually do the next line of working. Plus 51, minus 51, that cancels out. The c is left, so we take that down to the next line. And on this side, it's 61.5 minus 51. So that is 10.5. And c equals 10.5. Now, what we should do is always get in the habit of checking. And the way we check is through substitution. And substitution, all we do is we take what we think the value of c is, and we substitute it in to the original equation. So it's not c anymore, it's 10.5. So now the equation would read 10.5 plus 51 equals 61.5. Does that actually work? Let's just try that. 10.5. Okay, we'll add them up. So that's 5.16. That's the same as that. So this is correct, and our working must also be correct.